widely known and beloved figure in the northwestern Pennsylvania birding community. She served as vice president of PSO and participated in many citizen science projects. Beyond birding, she was a longtime volunteer at the food bank of Western Forest. Our condolences to her husband, Jim, and family.
Thank you all for coming.
The first newsletter.
It would be like,
Oh,
it was hitting right on the spot, double, just enough that you could kind of like couldn't see to get it.
November 2002.
oh. Yeah.
Welcome Flo McGuire as the drummer's new editor.
Oh, that's why you, yeah.
So you can have these, and if you want people to share anything, I'll be happy.
Whereas yellow warblers have yellow in the tail, they're well named. Then you might also see Wilson's warblers in migration. This is a young female because it has almost no trace of a black hood, which the adult males do.